down here in the grow room, I have noticed that my plant is running low on water. So I decided I would bring you along for a reservoir change. Okay, so what I have here is water that I've had, I guess, breathing for a few days, because my water is fairly high in chlorine, and I really don't want a bunch of chlorine in my reservoir. I got approximately 3.5 gallons in here now, and I am going to add one of these. That is about what we need to have this grow good. We'll give our liquid a trusty stir. And we'll test our pH just to make sure we're in the correct range. I don't know if you can see that, but it comes close to matching the about 6.5, and so I think that's about where we want to be. We'll just dump this back in there, stir it in again, and we are ready for a plant change. The really neat thing about this is I got an interchangeable lid here, and so all I'm doing is transferring these roots, which don't look too bad, from one spot to the next. Then I'll take this out, which there's about 2 inches of water left in there, and we will just lift this back up here, and voila, we are finished. So that's how I do my reservoir change. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. Also, if you know of a better way of doing a reservoir change, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching, God bless, and see you next time. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that like button, and click that notification bell so you can receive all of our future videos. And please comment and share. We appreciate all the help we get. Thank you once again, and God bless you.